beautiful humans, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Tessa Stewart. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, beautiful. So today we are in the beautiful city of Cancun. Yes, my husband and I, we are here in Cancun, Mexico. We are staying at the Riu Dunamar. We're here to celebrate our cousin's birthday and our friend's birthday. So we got here a day early. So we got here yesterday, but we didn't do much. We hung out. We had a long flight. We had a long week. We had a long weekend prior to getting here. So we decided to just relax, enjoy each other's company, enjoy each other's time. And we spent the day on the beach. And when I say it was hard to get off the beach, okay, we were there all day, well into the evening. It was a complete vibe. Had such a good time. But so it's the next day, next morning, and my husband just informed me that all of it, well, not all of it, but some of our friends are here. So we're about to go down. We're going to meet them. I'm not sure what we're going to do today. I know that we are going, because one person's birthday is today. So we're going to dinner for them tonight. We have reservations at a restaurant. I'm going to take you guys. And I also will put the information about that restaurant in the description box below. So, all right, guys, let's just go. I will give you guys a room tour later. I'm not going to do it now because we're running out of time, but the room is exceptionally cute, okay? Actually, let's do a little quick run through. Let's see. So when you come in the room, to hit the corner, there's a nice full-size mirror. This is girl. The lighting isn't the best for pictures. You have to turn that light off. Then you have your closet. In the closet, you have your safe, everything else. It's a nice size safe. Beside it, you got your mini bar area. They did not give us the alcohol, guys. COVID restrictions, I have no idea how that comes for COVID. Okay, but we can still get regular beverages. So we can still have regular beverages, we can't have the, okay, make it make sense. Anyways, that's the mini bar. Then you have a seating area. Very cute. Set up very nicely. Looking next, you can look out over the balcony. And then you have the TV. And I know you see how the TV is just facing one way, but it does swivel, okay? So you can watch it while you're on the TV. While you're on the couch or in the bed. Those drawers are broken. I put things in there. They will not close all the way now. We have the bed. You have a sexy husband on the bed. We have the jetted tub, which is very nice, and the bathroom area. So this is the sink area. So you have your double sinks. You have an area at the bottom where you can put your things. There's a mirror for the ladies to get themselves together, or the men to shave. Obviously a blow dryer. Here's the shower. You have the rain. I'm not sure if you call it rain head, but it feels amazing. This shower, oh my goodness, is so relaxing. It's just the water pressure is perfect. Bathroom. This is a view from the balcony overlooking the pool and the ocean. Very nice. And that's it. All right, anyways, like I said, we're about to go downstairs, meet the rest of our friends and family, and I'll see you later.
Go see Jason.
Where's my cup at? Where's that?
That's my cup. Don't touch my cup.
Where's that?
Don't touch my cup.
Jay, you can't.
Wow. I'll take a shot myself. It's beginning. It's beginning.
We've been outside. We've been outside since DR.
Facts. Been outside.
Been outside.
Oh, it's right here.
Hold on, you can pour me a shot of this.
I'm trying to cups in here. Yo,
Jay,
I'm putting cups in here.
You gonna curse me out?
Only you can stand on the bathtub.
Wait.
Who's gonna curse
You
me?
need one more?
Tessa needs a shot.
So you taking a shot?
Yo, this is a great picture right here. Yo, see the picture? We see the picture right here?
Wait, hold on.
Yo, watch this picture, watch this picture, watch this picture.
Wait, hold the bottle, baby.
Watch this picture, watch this picture, watch this picture. Watch this picture right here. Watch this picture right here.
Take that picture.
Take that picture. So you chain, will you pick up the chain?
Watch it, right?
Bro, you gotta be flossy, kid.
It's the birthday boy.
Give me that smile like. Give me that smile like. Yeah!
On a Thursday.
Fucking Thursday.
Yo, pull me up, Jay. Jay, pull me up.
I'll pour you up there.
Hey.
Pour my boys up, boy.
Yeah, buddy. Alright, shit.
Worry about yourself.
Mind your business. Just mind your business.
Alright guys, so we are back in the room. We just spent some time at the pool with our friends. We went to the pool, to the beach. I found a spot that I thought they did massages, but the people weren't outside, so I'm gonna check them back out later because I know I want massages before we leave. So this is the bathing suit. I got this bathing suit from Pretty Little Thing. I like it. I feel a little exposed with this because this isn't very tight and it kind of like, I feel like my nip slipped once, but no one caught it, so it was okay. So, but I like it. It's cute.
Oh, we on TV?
Oh, we made it to the YouTube?
Oh, we on the air?
Wow, we're on the YouTube.
Oh, we on the air?
We're on the YouTube.
You're on the YouTube.
Good morning, good evening, good everything.
Good morning, good evening, good everything.
You never know where they're watching. When they're watching.
Hey, I like that.
Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Way they hitting you, the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Through the quick of 17, no prodigy. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it.
Alright guys, so we are at this place called Puerto Madero, and it is a restaurant. So we're here to celebrate our friend Jess's birthday. So his birthday was today, so we're doing dinner for him today. Tomorrow we're doing a yacht, and then the following day we're going to be doing we're going to be doing but the place is very cute. It's a whole little vibe. So it's on the water. Outside there are like boats or whatever. It's a nice little view, it's a nice little vibe, and when you come inside, the ambiance is nice, everything, and then they have obviously the menu and kids scan, and it seems pretty clean so far. I will show you all the food later on. Hey babe. Hey, what's going on guys? Our reservation was for 9 o'clock, so what time is it baby? 9:39. It's 9:39. This man, we said we were gonna go to the lobby and leave. At what time were we supposed to leave? 7:30. 7:30, right? So we were supposed to be in the lobby to leave at 7:30. He didn't get up until what time? 7:07. Yeah, that's the time he was.
I was tired.
Yeah, it was a long day, but it was fun though. The beach was fun.
I was tired.
Yeah. Y'all, I got the lamb. It tastes so good, mad delicious. This is Puerto Madero.
Can I get a one sauce, please?
Link will be in the description. All the food, everybody's food looks good. No one's complained so far. So, there we go.
Bad man forward, bad man pull up. Bad man forward, bad man pull up. Hey,
I love you guys.
and
Another year. I'm blessed. I'm here. I'm alive. God bless. Love you guys.
Love you guys. Thank you so much again. I'm sorry if I ruined the mood.
Yo, Parlin, look at this, bro. Look at this, bro.
Hi guys. I love my family, yo. I love my family. I love you guys.
Yo, bro.
We love you.
Good, bro.
You good?
I'm back, bro.
So did you enjoy your dinner? Are you feeling special?
It's not my day.
Nigga, the whole trip is about you and your best friend. Are you feeling special?
I always feel special, you know what I'm saying? Special less, special.
Wow.
How you feeling, Carrie?
Bloated, drunk,
I'm none of that, bro.
Listen, I
everything. He's drunk, he's bloated.
Bloated.
You know what I'm saying?
I just want my bed, honestly. That's it. I just want my bed and a bottle of water.
I'm big chilling right now.
That's it.
I'm good. I'm feeling real good right now. You know why? Ask me why. Got my boo with me. Yeah.
This is the look for today. We're doing the boat party. I think it's appropriate, honey. I like it. So I have a little, this is a sheer dress. So this is a sheer dress with a bathing suit under it. Whatever you want to call it. Everyone is down there. We haven't pulled off yet, so it's still a little hot in the cabin or whatever, so we're outside.
My batteries are low.
Me and the hubby outside. So we just sitting up here drinking some water or whatever. It's cool when they greet you, they let you on, they greet you with beer and water. Give you the rules or whatever. So you're only allowed, there are still restrictions because of COVID for how many people you're allowed to have on the boat or whatever. Coast Guard. So they told us that we just have to divide ourselves up. It should be alright. But if the Coast Guard is coming, we're going to have to disperse so people have to notify. So whatever it is, it is. Oh, okay.
Saint water.
The same water?
Saint water. Water.
So they're greeting us with a shot.
Hey, brother, how you doing? Yeah,
Hold on, let me get my water together. Y'all know I'm like,
is everything okay?
you ready?
Comunícate en un momento con tu familia y amigos. Reserva un paquete de la vida sin límite de 100 pesos el oso y recibe 15 días de viajada, mensajes, redes sociales ilimitadas y 1.300
It just doesn't get any easier.
a la vuelta de su vida.
Hold me, darling, 'cause whole night we jamming. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Dum 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 dum.
Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, beautiful humans. So we're out here early morning. The Bay and I got up for the sunrise, and it is beautiful. So it's beautiful. Let me get these angles right. My voice is raspy because it's early, but we're having an amazing time. We're having a good time out here. Excuse my appearance, but we're just soaking it all in. And I hope you enjoy it. Wherever you are in the world, whatever you have, enjoy it. Live every moment like it's your last, because tomorrow is not promised. Be grateful. Be grateful for another chance every day that you wake up. Hello humans, coming to you live from the beach. So this has been an interesting trip. I thought I'd stop in and just say that I didn't get any footage, guys. I am out of a lot of footage. It's been non-stop. My husband's friends are a ball of energy. So we've been non-stop. So like I said, we got here a day early, and they came like the day after, and since they've been here, it's been non-stop. So like literally the first day they got here, we went to dinner that night. The next day was the yacht. The day after, more dinners and hanging out at the poolside. Some people had a little party a little too hard. It was a struggle making it out to dinner last night, but we went to Taboo, which was so cool. Fun fact, my mother calls me Taboo, spelled like taboo, but that's what she calls me. That's my childhood nickname for my mother. She's the only person that calls me that, Taboo. And people who try to mimic her will say taboo, right? But she's saying Ta'a. Like instead of saying Tessa, she's taking the S out of my name and saying Ta'a Boo. Like, so Tessa Boo, really. But it sounds like Taboo. So, fun fact, now you know. Because if you're not in my family, you wouldn't know that. I'm not sure if any of my friends even know that. Today is my last day. I'm here on the beach, soaking it up one last time. I'm going to get a massage right before, one last time before I leave. I'm tired, I'm not feeling well. I've had a long and eventful vacation. It's been fun, it's been real. We had a good time. We did the absolute most. The absolute most. But I'm grateful, right? I'm grateful for friends and family. So, I don't see you again in this video. It means that I took my time enjoying my life in real time, baby. And I hope that you are doing the same. Enjoy your life in real time, okay? And if something ain't working for you, maybe change it. And don't settle for what you don't like, what you don't want. And don't allow anyone to treat you less than. And treat yourself to what you know you deserve. But always be humble and never get too high for your britches. I will see y'all in the next video.